Good morning guys, wherever you're watching from. And if it's your first time on the channel, yeah man, go ahead and subscribe now. Yeah, touch up the subscription button. Yeah, so today guys, I'll be cooking some steamed fish. Yeah man, some steamed fish for my dinner. That's what I feel for today, yeah man. So I already prepared my fish, so I'm gonna show that to you. Yeah man, I've got some nice snapper fish shears, you know what I mean, my sea bream. So I'm gonna get them steamed with some okra. Yeah, I've got my okra and stuff here. This is my okra, and I've got my pumpkin, I've got some carrot, and I've got coconut. I'm gonna break this and get it ox out and dice it up and get it in my blender. Yeah, I mean, so I'm gonna show all of that to you, so stay tuned and watch the process guys. Yeah man, around here. Now make it chimney. Yeah. And remember guys, please give the video a thumbs up. Yeah man. Leave a comment. Yeah. And as I said before, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. It's free guys. It's free of course. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe. So like up the video, share up the video. Yeah man. Stay tuned, soon come. So you guys, I'm gonna get some seasoning on the fish. In here, in my little bowl here, I've got some powder seasoning. I've got 3 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. I've got a little black pepper in there as well, and I've got 2 teaspoons of all-purpose, 3 teaspoons fish season. Yeah. So now I'm gonna just mix it up like so. Yeah man, just mix up everything and just slap it onto the fish. Yeah man. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the seasoning over my fish like so. Get some inside the belly. Yeah man, just rub it in, you know what I mean? Right, so that's my fish done guys. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put this aside, let it go and rest until I finish everything, because I got my coconut as well to ox out. So I'm gonna go ahead now, ox out my coconut and start the blending process. So stay tuned guys, when I'm blending I'll show that to you so forward. Welcome back guys. So yeah, this is my coconut. I've just diced it up, so now I'm gonna get it in the blender. Yeah, to start the blending process. Yeah, so stay tuned and watch the process guys. So now I'm gonna get it in a blender over there. Yeah. Yeah guys, I finished the blending process, so now I'm gonna strain off the coconut milk, and then I'm gonna get it strained off. So let me show you what I'm doing. So we don't need the roughage, you just need the milk. Yeah, a cup of milk is good enough. You can get a cup, that's alright. This one is a small coconut, it's very small coconut. But it will do the job. No problem. Natural coconut milk. it, guys. I've got my natural rich coconut milk here. Yeah man, this is what I'm gonna use in my steamed fish. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get some olive oil in the pot, like so, to fry up my vegetables. So yeah, in this container guys, we've got all my chopped vegetables. As you can see, I've got some red onions in there. I'm gonna get it in there. Got some white onions. Oh my days, splash it out. Yeah, I got some white onions as well. And this is thyme. I got spring onion, bell pepper, green and red bell pepper. And I've got pumpkin and I've got carrot. And I've got some chopped garlic, 2 cloves of chopped garlic. So I'm gonna get everything in here now guys, everything, right? And then, this is it. I'm gonna cover this guys for a bit. Let it go and simmer for a bit. And then later on I'm gonna add some of this coconut milk in there. So stay tuned and watch the process guys. It soon come. So now guys, I'm gonna get a cup of coconut milk in there. 1 cup. Yeah man. So let this go and cook down with my coconut milk. Yeah. We have to add some more to it. That's a cup and a half of coconut milk guys. Right. Okay. This will do the trick. Get some berries, pimento berries guys. Okay, get a few in there. So as you can see guys, I haven't put any okra in there yet because I don't want my okra to cook out. I just want it to steam, so I'm gonna wait until these vegetables cook before I add the okra to it. So stay tuned guys and watch the process. Soon come. I'm just showing you this step by step. So as you can see, my vegetables is cooking. I haven't put the fish in yet. So yeah, let my vegetable cook down in the coconut milk. Soon as it cook, then I'm gonna add fish, and I'll have some okra and stuff and some fish stock. So stay tuned. Plus my Scotch bonnet pepper, I'm gonna put some in there as well. Stay tuned for all of that. Soon come. Yeah guys, vegetables already cooked. So now I'm gonna get some fish stock, some pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper in here as well. Yeah, so that's fish stock in there. Then give it a stir. Why? Come on. We're gonna add the water. At this point I'm gonna get some butter in it as well. With the butter. German are the real thing, this guys. Tastes so delicious, so good. Right. So you know what? I'm gonna add this. Just gonna put the whole, put all of this in there as well. All of that. Piece of pepper. So now guys, I'm gonna get the fish in and go and simmer. So yeah, let that bone cook. So stay tuned guys. I'm gonna get the okra. I'm gonna dice up my okra and come back, so stay tuned. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna check on my fish. Yeah man, it's coming out nicely. It's coming out nicely, so now I'm gonna add my okra. Yeah man, I'm gonna get it in there now. Tastes super good guys, so delicious, super delicious. So you know when this finish, you know when this finish is gonna be finger licking good. Yeah man. So let's stay tuned and watch the process guys. Yes, I'm gonna get the cover on, let it go and cook for a bit. So stay tuned guys, when it finish I'll show you the finished product. Yeah man, around here in my kitchen with and yeah guys, remember please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah man, around here in my kitchen with it. Yeah man, stay tuned, so come. Yeah guys, this is the finished product. My steamed fish. So as you can see, it cooked down in coconut milk, natural coconut milk. And this is it. It tastes so delicious, guys. This is one that you have to try. So you can see all the vegetables on top there, my okra, my pumpkin and stuff. Yeah. So stay tuned guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Around here in my kitchen baby. So stay tuned. Let me show you a close up. That's my steamed fish. You can have it with white rice and peas, anything you choose to. If you want to throw it at this point, if you want to put a few crackers in there, it's good to go man. No problem, just add a few crackers if you want to. Well anyways, we have made it to the end of another video, so until then, stay tuned, have a nice one. Peace out.